Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you 5 little girl hairstyles that anyone can do, and they're so cute. You're going to have so much fun doing them. So to get started, I've already parted her hair, and now I'm just going to start in the front. And you can take big sections or little sections. I just decided to take a few big sections. I'm going to tie the hair, but before I tighten the hair, I'm going to split the hair above the elastic, and then I'm going to flip it and put it through the hole, and then tighten it. You're going to do this on each section. And then just make sure that as you're splitting the hair above the elastic, that you're getting the hair right down the middle from the old section so that it's even on each side. Then again, flip through the middle, and then you'll pull tight. This is where I like to take the sections in between each section and just fluff them. It makes it so beautiful, gives it more volume, and you can really see where you flipped the hair. So if you want to, at this point, you can just stretch it out. Now I'm just going to quickly show you this other side, and it has less hair, so it's a little harder to fluff, but just do what you can to make it look equal to the other side, and it will be so cute. Okay, now I'm going to just show you messy bun pigtails, which most of you probably already know how to do, but for those who don't, I am here to show you. I just split the hair down the middle, and then I start each pigtail, and then I will show you how to do the messy bun. Alright, so I'm starting the elastic like a normal ponytail, but I'm going to leave some of the ends out before my next twist. This will create some of the messiness, and then I'm going to hold the hair, pull the rest of the elastic over, and then pull the hair tight. Then some of the hair came loose, so I'm going to put the hair where I like it, grab another elastic. I'm going to put the elastic around it only once or twice to secure the hair, but you don't want it too tight. But this will help secure it, and then you can fluff it out where you like, and then you're done. And then we're going to just do the exact same thing on this other side. And then you can see that I'm also not pulling the end of this section all the way through. I'm trapping some of it under the elastic just to make it a little more messy. Okay, so now it's time to do our half up bubble pigtails. So I'm just gonna start by parting the hair. You can do the middle or the side. And I'm gonna just take the front triangle section and secure that. And then I'm gonna just do 2 more sections on this side. Now I'm gonna just take the hair between each elastic and stretch it. As you can tell, I like volume and it just makes it more fun, makes it just something different, but still cute and still tight enough that it will last all day. You can stretch it as much or as little as you'd like. Now I'm gonna do this other side, but obviously there's not as much hair, so I'm just gonna do 2 sections on this side, and I'm trying to part it the same place that I parted the other side just to make it look even and nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you twisted crisscross pigtails, and you can just part this and get it ready for regular pigtails, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay, so now each section is smoothed and out of each other's way. We are gonna separate the front from the back, and we are going to put the front section into its own little ponytail. Match the parting on the other side and do the same thing in the front. All right, now move the front section out of the way and get the back section ready for a pigtail. But before you secure it, take the opposite front section, twist it in your fingers as many times as you can, and then add it to the opposite back section, then secure it. And then I just like to do the same messy bun that I did on the previous hairstyle, and it's just so cute. All right, so now for our last hairstyle. This is so cute, but you do not need to know how to French braid in order to get a French braided look. So I want to separate the first 2 sections, secure them with elastics, and then part off your 3rd section, but don't put an elastic in quite yet. I like to just twist mine out of the way, but if you want to clip, that works great too. I'm gonna split the front section in half, and then I'm gonna take the section behind it, and you can again either clip it, or I like to let my daughter help me. She holds it and she loves holding it. So take this back section, and then you're going to take the 2 sections that you'd split in half and put 1 on each side of the hair. We kind of did a bad job on this first one, but take those 2 front pieces and put them behind the second section with that hair down the middle. All right, so now part off your next section, and we will try this again. We're gonna twist it out of the way, then we're gonna split the front section in half, put the other section behind it down the middle of them, and let her hold on to it. And then just repeat this with each new section. And it might seem complicated, but really once you do it, you get the hang of it pretty fast. Now I'm just gonna get another elastic and just make a cute little bun out of this. Before I pull the very last part of the ponytail through, I'm just gonna leave it in the elastic and fluff it out. Then stretch it like always, and it's so cute.